Take a ride in the 2018 Buick Enclave. The Enclave offers 3 rows of seats standard with seating for up to 8 passengers. Not only is it roomy and stylish, but Buick really did its homework on this vehicle. They did not cut any corners and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, heated seats, power passenger seat, XM satellite radio, traction control, all-wheel drive, quad seating, Bose sound system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.